Building a position inside a price range shouldn't mean typing out 10 different limit orders one by one. Manual entry just wastes time and risks missing your entry. What if you could map out your entire entry grid directly on the chart? Today, we're looking at Bitunix's new Scaled Order feature, a tool designed to cut your execution friction by 90% and keep your focus on the trade itself. Let's get started. Let's say you're looking at SOL, and you spot a solid support zone between $67 and $70. You want to scale into a long position here, but you don't want to bother with repetitive manual inputs. On Bitunix, all you need to do is right-click anywhere on the SOL chart to bring up the Bitunix chart trading menu. Hover over Scaled Order and select Buy since we are going long today. Immediately, you'll see a prompt saying, "Click to set the range for segmented order." Just click the lowest price and the highest price of your target zone, in this case, 67 and 70. And there you have it. The detailed settings panel pops up, and you can already see a visual preview of your order grid right on the chart. Now, let's customize it. In the panel, enter your total investment amount for this position. You can also use the percentage slider below it to quickly allocate a portion of your available balance. Moving down the panel, look at Order Quantity. This is where you decide how many sub-orders you want to split your position into. You can choose anywhere from 2 to 20 sub-orders. If you type something outside this range, the system will automatically fix it for you. Now, let's look at how these orders are distributed. For price distribution, the system defaults to flat, which spreads your orders with completely equal gaps. But if you want to get tactical, you can choose ascending to widen the gaps as the price goes up, or descending to do the opposite. If you want absolute control, just select Other. This lets you manually drag the lines on the chart to create a completely custom, irregular setup. Next, you can adjust the quantity distribution, meaning how much size goes into each order. Again, it defaults to an even split, but you can set it to ascending or descending to scale your size based on the price, or choose Other to drag and drop each sub-order's size manually. Here's a quick tip for your trading playbook. When buying into a support zone, try using a descending quantity distribution. This puts more weight on the lower prices, which effectively pulls down your average entry cost. If you're selling, go with ascending to maximize your average exit price. There's also a random option if you want to keep your orders stealthy and avoid being tracked by market algorithms. Once you're happy with the setup, hit that Buy button. Your scale orders are live. As you can see on the chart, you can manage everything visually. Click on any specific sub-order to check its status or set individual take profit and stop loss levels. Need to adjust the price? Just drag and drop the order line on the chart. Want to tweak your risk? Hover over the TP or SL labels and drag them up or down. No typing required. Trading should be efficient, not exhausting. Bitunix chart trading is built with one goal: to remove market friction and back our traders with ultra trust, ultra products, and ultra experience. Click the link in the description below to log into Bitunix and try the Scaled Order feature right now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more trading hacks. See you in the next video.